Hello, it's Avery. Welcome to the channel. We're here in beautiful, not so sunny Southern California, and today I'm going to take you on a little car spotting adventure. So let's go. So one of my favorite things to do while riding my bike is spot cool cars. A couple of my recent spots have gotten good feedback, and I live in a great place to car spot. So I figured I'll take you along for the ride. So we got here Honda Clarity California Special. Right next to them, the lifted diesel with a Raptor and Escalade V. Across the street is an Audi advertisement, the RS6, in front of a very nice modern home. Another RS6. RS6 is definitely one of the top cars for bikes. First Ferrari of the day. Continental GT Super Sport. Pretty good find here on the street. All right, about to ride down Kings Road now, which usually has some pretty good cars. So let's see what they got out today. Cayenne Coupe. Pick one of these up when they're 15K in 10 years.
Hi.
Lucid. I think if I had an electric car, that might be it. They're pretty cool. Got a Cayenne GTS here. That'll be a good 30K pickup in a decade. Wow, very cool. Never seen the NSX race car. They usually have the McLaren one out. Very cool. Kings, as usual, did not disappoint. So now I'm gonna head down to PCH and swing by some of the dealerships and see what they've got. Thinks about stopping, but no. This car wash sometimes has good stuff, but today they just have a wrap side truck. It's an ID Buzz. You'll see those all the time. It's a fairly perfect California car, honestly. Let's see what kind of inventory the used Porsche dealer has. 996 Cabrio, maybe some 991s. Can't really tell them apart. Ooh, 997. Some more 996s. One day I want a 997. McLaren at the bakery. Don't know whether they meant to leave the wing up or it just won't go down. Oh yeah, Mercedes 300B. Classic. Lamborghini Urus, the Range Rover of Orange County. So PCH was okay. Saw that Ferrari, that was cool. Gonna head now to Corona del Mar. There's usually some good stuff parked there by the beach. Decent yacht spot. I'm a huge fan of this Gambala Boxster. It's been here forever, and you think it like never moves, but the plates are always up to date, and sometimes it changes locations. So we got the Maybach 57S, which is probably worth about as much as my bike, but is way cooler. Had to make a stop at the coffee shop. There's a rule in cycling: for every hour you ride, you gotta make a stop at a coffee shop. Some sort of Ferrari special edition. Pretty cool. Coffee stop was too short, but caffeinated now, ready to head home and hopefully spot some more cool cars. Good spot across the street, a Grenadiers pickup truck. I haven't seen one of these yet. I'm starting to see the SUVs around a bit. Pretty popular here in Orange County. Classic, possibly not restored BMW 2002. Speaking of Grenadiers, here's one. Alright, made it to Eurocar. They got the OG Hummer H1, Bentley Flying Spur, one of these new Gran Turismos. Crazy anybody bought one of these. And new NSX. I think that's my top pick of the cars out here. Gonna swing by the airport now. The valet at JSX sometimes has some cool cars, so let's go check it out. Before we even make it to JSX, got some good stuff in this parking lot. Gotta go check it out. Got the new Land Cruiser. Starting to see these around a bit. Got Genesis, one of the best rental cars you can get. Got some McLaren. Can't really tell them apart. Lotuses, Ferrari, and the SVJ. Casual Continental GT on the road. One of the best cars for people that think you're rich. Alright, made it to JSX. I don't feel weird biking around here because I'm actually flying with them in a couple weeks. So looking forward to that, and stay tuned for that video. Look at these beautiful Embraers. Traffic jam at JSX. Plane must have just unloaded or something. I would love to have one of these little baggage cars to drive around. Be sick. Hummer H2, classic. And Ford, nice. G-Wagon, of course, Escalade. Another Escalade, Focus RS, nice. Alright, that about wraps it up, folks. If you enjoyed the video, give me a like and comment down below. If I get enough feedback, maybe I'll make another one of these car spotting videos. Alright, see you at the next one.